bro? Damn, you are jacked. Look at him, bro. Dang, bro. What's your workout routine, bro? I see you got a whip in your hand. You ain't got some tendencies towards people of my kind, do you? Wolfie.
There's no turning back.
There is no going back. Going back is for wimps. Hey, walk boy. Furry boy. Are you my friend? Oh, you are not my friend. Oh, damage. Okay. You don't like me, but it's okay. Guess what? Pathetic. Weak. Die. Yeah. What you got for me, white boy? Let's see what you got in the hood with those attacks. Okay, you got claw. Your claws are a little bit slow, but guess what? My arms are faster. Ah, yeah. After damage. Guess what? Nani? Ah. I've been stunned because. Oh, so this is what this stance is for. Ah. Ah. So I can switch it up in between fights. I see. What you about to do, bro? Get down from. Bro, did you just lick? Bro, don't lick me. Don't lick my essence. Too slow. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. What you got, boy? Freeze. Nothing. You ain't got nothing. Dummy! Stupid! Die! Hold on. My ribs! What you got for me, boy? Lunge at me. I dare you. You almost close to death. Okay. I did it too early. That hurt. Guess what? Yeah! Guess what? Transformation jutsu! Oh, bro, you made me What's good? Ooh, music change! What you wanna do? Come on, get down here, boy! I don't got time for this. Ow. Okay, that's it. Me. This transformation is supposed to be my strongest. Bro, stop yelling at the moon and get this ass whooping. Come here. Come here. He bit me. Okay. Easy win. You got the most easiest win ever. Man, come here. I'm gonna sit on the stand for you. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. First try, boys. This man thought he got me.
Now that it's dead, you might as well take a good look around.
Good look around.
The black-winged guai gifted the wolf. Fine. Would be a deserving reward for that fight.
Reward? That's what I'm looking for. What you got in here? Nothing. This man said look around. What am I looking for? I don't know what I'm looking for. Bell! Damn it. Ah! Objects. Wait, is this the bonfire? What's this? Celestial Jade Lotus Pill. A miraculous pill concocted by the god of longevity in the southernmost reaches of the land that will massively increase maximum health. Okay, cool. I feel myself getting stronger. I do wonder how many bosses are actually going to be a little bit harder in this game. Because it seems like, because I was talking about the Souls-like element, but I'm pretty sure it's a little bit more closer to a God of War-esque type of game. So I know good and well that this ain't, going to be too hard. Ever since that last boss I did in one go. We're not going to talk about the big bungalow baby. We're not going to talk about him. Woo. Alright, bro. Watch this, buddy. Hey, buddy. You see this? I'm on top of you. Guess what? Ah. Imagine just seeing that. Someone just sticks on a staff and just rises above you. You know about to get hit with the most meanest mink of your entire life. What's this? Is this something for me? What's in here? Who talking? Hey!
Come closer and fear not. Noble blood doesn't prey on travelers like you.
Oh. Is that a horse, bro? Damn, you are jacked. Look at him, bro. Dang, bro. What's your workout routine, bro? Hold on. Is that a bell you got there? Can I hit it? I won't hit it. Let me not throw hands with you. What's good with you, bro?
You don't look like a Yaguai from these parts. Have you come to earn the Black Wind King's favor?
Blackwood King? I don't know who that is.
That bear is but a hollow shell. He can grant you nothing. Don't waste your time on him.
I don't know, bro. But he might grant me something, is what you're telling me.
Lies about cheating death and even the treasures. His followers are, all of them, deceived. Blackwind Gwai is a sly one. He preaches virtue with a heart full of greed. I wouldn't entrust him with my plea.
So you just saying he's a lying bastard. Understandable. We all got those lying bastards. I see you got a whip in your hand. You ain't got some tendencies towards people of my kind, do you? You better not.
You are here, but you should be vigilant. Now I'm pressed for time. Fare thee well, then.
Alright, bro. I don't know why you're here though. Can I hit this? It's just here. Why is this here? Oh, okay. Alright. Let me meditate again. No, let me take a nap. Let me take a nap. I'm napping. Yes. You know what? Someone should do one of those 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour compilation of the Black Wukong music, you know, and put that on YouTube. I will listen to that for hours. This is the type of music I listen to in my spare time. Yes, sir. An extra spark. What's this? Incense? Get rid of it. Oh, alright, bro. I'm not disrespecting the culture. Alright, bro. I'll come back to you. I'll let you know if I threw hands with homie. About the Black Wind homie. I don't know who that is, but I bet he got something for me to gain. Jade Lotus. I wonder what the crafting is for this aspect of this game, though. I haven't crafted anything yet. I probably should, but I'm not going to. You!
Long bound by worldly cage, now free in nature's sage.
Nature's sage? Who talking to me? Who talking wise? Damn, you got a big gourd on your back.
Have you seen those nameless souls adrift on your path? Their wheels float aloft, never to fade. Shame.
Maybe.
Your god serves little purpose, and mine answers solely to me. I know a way to guide the souls, mend their paths, and set them free. It will aid you.
Nah. Oh, you just took my gourd from me. Are you blind? I just realized. Okay, so you just gonna put magic juice in my juice, bro. I mean, I'm not gonna complain, but I don't know what you put in it. Maybe you spiced my shit, bro.
This god, though humble, may save the lost, banish their obsessions, and guide them.
And guide them. Why did you just give this to me, bro? The blessed gourd, under the guidance of a wise master, the destined one has mastered the art of spirit absorption. The gourd possesses remarkable divine capabilities, allowing it to absorb the lingering wills of spirits willing. Ah, I see. What else you
One
got?
as destined as you, there can be no turning back. We are like tumbleweeds, drifting through life, with a destiny beyond our grasp.
Alright, bro. Alright, Master Shifu. Alright, bro. Alright, Master Wu. Oh, that is a snake. Ah! He bit me. He bit me. He bit me. I'm gonna need you to relax. Take this. What? Camouflage? You bastard. Or I'm stupid. Bell! One of these days this bell will ring. Who up in here? Oh, that is gross. That is gross. That is gross. Nah. Don't jump me now. What you about to do? Nothing. Dang. Those are some gross bastards, though. Jeez. Where am I going? What you about to do? Nothing. Okay, hit me. He poisoned me again. I don't see the silence of that though. Jeez. I'm already dying. I've been poisoned, bro. Why do they gotta be snakes? Ah. Run! I don't know what this is, but I'm doing it. Oh god. I'm surrounded. Guess what? That's insane. I have no mana. So I just realized what that gourd is for. So I went back to the rest and I saw that, oh, I can cultivate the spirits. Because when I killed the big, Balunga big head boy, it said cultivate spirit. I don't know what that means. It said transform, so I'm assuming I can unlock that transformation. Don't know when that will happen, but can't wait for that. Why am I surrounded by undead skeleton mans? What are you even supposed to be? Oh, this thing is ugly. Ah, help! My stamina. Stay right there. What the heck is this?
This humble one's name is Guangmo. Should my demise come by
Bro,
your
why
hands,
you got two lumps in your
please
head,
pass
bro? You
this
gotta get that
message
checked
to
out.
my master. Searching for deity, mortals do aspire. Craving immortality, Yao Guais surely will conspire.
Wait, what? Ah! Bro, why you throwing hands with me, bro? I didn't do nothing with you. Okay, fine. It's okay. Wait, you just got a spirit on you? What's this? Ah! Trash. Come here. Meet me. Ah! Okay. Force field. I don't like force fields. Watch this. You think your teleportation means anything to me? Get this out of here. Uh-oh. You got a tornado? Freeze! Turn it off. Ah! Alright. Okay. Alright. Hey. Put that fan down. Put it down. Is that poison? Oh, bro. Please.
Boys, greet our visitor.
Boys? Who you summoning? This man using summons. This is not Elden Ring, bro. Please. Oh. Ah.
All's in vain. Save your own effort.
That took all of my health. That's actually insane. Bro, get your instant transmission ass out of here, bro. Bro. Guess what? I have more power. Okay. Come here. No. Burn. 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 Yeah. Ah. Okay, that hit me. Okay, alright. Oh. You're a tornado. I'm coming for you. Ah. Man, if you don't get this... Okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
Boys, keep him entertained.
No, how about we not do that? Oh my god, I'm poisoned again. Oh my gosh, bro.
All's in vain. Save your own.
Why is there poison everywhere? Stop that. I'm gonna show you what real power. Okay. I'm about to burn your ass, boy. Get this. And this. Distance. Distance.
Keep him entertained.
How about we not do that? Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Hold on. Hey. Damn, that was annoying. Okay, this poison's gonna piss me off, but it's okay. Oh my god. Take this! Man, this man doesn't like to get staggered at all. Well, it's okay. I don't need stagger. I don't need me! Pathetic! Come here! Oh, my stamina! Come here! Oh my gosh, bro. How about we not do that, bro? Ah, God, poison, bro. I can't. Damn, bro. Hold still. You ain't that hard. You're just annoying. Come here, bro. Come on, bro. I ain't done with you. Just don't summon no more people and we gonna be good. We'll be good with you. You about to die right now. You about to die right now. Bitch. Yeah. Oh, how are you not dead? Oh.
My master is possession obsessed.
Damn, my health is gone.
You are just like him.
Just like him, bro? Bro.
When you... I remember now. The evil monks abetted Elder Jincha to burn the great sage and tongue monk alive.
What?
These two, I thought they were already turned into ashes by that fire. Who would have thought they had turned into Yaoguais?
So they used to be good homies? So they used to be on our side, but they became ops because of the fire. Because of the burnt down temple? I don't know what you're talking about, big dog, but let me heal up real quick so I can focus.